Hi, Bhaskar sir. How are
Am
you
I
doing, sir?
audible?
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay. Good
Hi,
afternoon,
sir.
good afternoon, everybody, and thanks for having me and allowing Lamhas and View2View to make this presentation. So I was just hearing the panel before this, and we talked about a lot about blended learning, digital face of the educational institute, and 360-degree platforms to take care of that. So I am happy to bring such a platform to you. We will also talk about the digital divide and how to reach the masses, the rural areas, if that time permits.
Bless.
So without much further ado, let me delve into the presentation and start sharing my screen.
Pleasure, sir.
Uh,
Pleasure. Please, sir.
yeah. So is my screen visible?
Yes, sir. It's loud and clear.
Okay. Just one thing, Abhishek. Now this is a PDF file, and if I do a view, will that be okay, or should I carry on like this?
So you can view the full screen view also.
Yeah, full screen view is good. Okay, this is good. You
Yes.
can see.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So where are we coming from? So we are Lamha Satellite Services, a satellite communications company from India who is not a startup. It's more than 15 years old. We have been providing satellite communication services to television broadcasters, to educational institutes, to the government. We own our own earth stations with massive infrastructure in Hyderabad and Navi Mumbai. And we saw this coming, we saw this coming 3-4 years back, that education was going to move towards a digital. It was like the banking revolution, 20 years back, when every bank was offline, brick and mortar, and then one fine day this tsunami of digitization hit them. We saw this coming, and so we tied up. We made a joint venture with a company called View2View Ireland. View2View Ireland has decades of experience in the education sector, in the telemedicine sector, and we jointly set up a software development team in Hyderabad. So we have a completely Make in India product that we have created and launched in the market. COVID-19 has only accelerated the adoption and is going to accelerate the adoption. But we have been working on this for the last 3 to 4 years. So let me move on. And my first slide is this. So now education will reach every corner of India. So now you can see why, it's not just enough to, okay, I will talk about the software today and what the 360-degree software for digital platform can do. But it's not just enough to have the software. You need to go with a platform which can also distribute. You need to reach every corner of India, and Lamha Satellite Services, along with View2View, is aptly positioned with its network, its satellite network, its fiber network to distribute the solution. So View2View is a modular. View2Learn is a modular, light, customizable, web-based learning management system that can be accessed anytime, anywhere on any device using low bandwidth and inexpensive hardware. So that is the definition of the system. Now I will move on. So what do we mean by 360 degrees? So it is not enough to have the live class. What happens after the live class? Do you get any feedback? Where is the examination module? So we have an examination module, complete examination module with MCQ based questions, with descriptive questions, with ability to do proctoring. Am I audible, Abhishek? Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So examination module gives you the feedback where the complete assessment of the student is happening. What about the course management? Are the course management, student registration, teacher registration, load distribution, calendar management? So all that happens in the LMS for course management. And then my previous presenter was asked, what about personalized learning? So students' course pages. Student course pages will not only have the e-learning books, it will also have the videos so that they can learn offline. At the same time, they can also attend live classes. So it's a combination of live classes, offline modules, examination, and a complete management system for the school. View2Learn can be deployed in the cloud based on a software as a service model. So the mechanism for working is a OpEx model. It is not a CapEx model. Or on premises, if your load is too high, then we can also deploy the system on premises for you. So this is some of the coverage that we are getting in the media. We are a secure, ultralight, security is becoming a massive issue, and I'll cover that. And we are ultralight. There is no app to be downloaded, right? It's based on technology where app is not required, which makes online education safe and accessible. So moving on, let's look at some of the aspects of LMS for course management very quickly. So we have role-based management. So we have an admin role, we have the head of the department, we have the teacher, and we have the student. And additional roles, we have the parent also, and additional roles can be created. Our software development team is there. If you need additional roles, like you want finance to be part of the system, it can also be created. So let us look at what some of these roles can do. So this is the main dashboard where the calendar is integrated, okay? And one of the great advantages with integrated course calendar is you don't have to look here and there for, and this is integrated for teachers as well as for students as well as for the management. So what are the courses available? What time is the live class? Everything is viewable on the dashboard. Okay? Teacher role in the LMS, teachers can create new live classes, okay? Upload class material to student course page. They can grade the students using the examination module, check the attendance. There is an attendance module also, or make announcements to the class. So teacher role, HOD role. HOD role, in addition to the teacher, HOD is the only person who can create new courses, assign teachers to those courses. HOD can create sections of students, you know, class 9, A, B, C, D, allocate teachers for the sections. Additionally, they can do everything that a teacher can do. Admin role in the LMS, admin keeps track of student enrollment, teacher allocation, and housekeeping functions of the student, okay? So this is to do with the LMS for course management. Now, if you look at the live class, this is really one of the beautiful features. Once I start showing you the screens, you will be amazed. So key features of the View to Learn live class are, it is WebRTC based. Now, WebRTC based means that there is no app to download. You get a link, you click on the link, and you are able to get into the live class, just like you are doing with Zoom or any other application. Peer-to-peer streaming is what is we are doing. So peer-to-peer streaming makes our solution extremely bandwidth efficient. Students can use the system with even less than 1 megabit per second speed. So they can use phones to access the system. They can use phones even in rural areas where 3G network is there or even 2G network is there. It will be accessible. Up to 50 students in one live classroom, up to 250 students in seminar or webinar. Now, what are the features, key features of the live class? Screen sharing, whiteboard, documents and chat, and video conferencing. I will get into details and show you some of the screens, okay? So one of the things, so this is a live class snapshot. The teacher comes on the right in this area, okay? And then you have screen sharing, whiteboard. So whiteboard is one of the major things. I'll talk about it. Documents, you can upload any documents that you want and share it with the students in the class. Documents can be annotated while teaching using the on-screen digital pen. This is a key feature because teacher wants to annotate the document. Screen sharing, so you can share your entire screen, a specific application like Excel or your browsing window through the Google Chrome tab. One of the key features of is the whiteboard. A whiteboard is required for teaching subjects like mathematics, physics, where subjects use a lot of formula and equations. So teachers can use industry standard digital pens or pads like Wacom, or they can use Android or Apple tablets with the respective digital pens. And this feature of our system is very well developed. It is very well appreciated by users so far. In terms of the student and how they are coming to the class, that student-teacher interaction, like in a typical video conferencing system, I, as the participant, can overturn you as the moderator. But in our system, a student cannot override the teacher. If the teacher has muted the student cannot override the teacher. At any point in time, all the students are muted and the teacher is teaching, muted both on audio and video. Only if the student asks a question by raising the hand or in group chat, the teacher will unmute the student. And in our system, because this is made for India, you don't want 50 students all on the screen. So, a teacher can unmute at any point in time 3 students and have conversations with them. Typically, it is one-on-one conversation if the teacher wants. So zero disturbance classroom, because we got a lot of feedback from teachers. We are using this system and that system, and it's a video conferencing system. And lot of students, especially in the middle classes and the lower classes, they don't know what they're doing. So there is a lot of disturbance in the class. Live class recording and sharing class material via email. The class can be recorded and it can be shared in the student course page. The recording is kept on the server for 14 days. Once you download it as a school and you upload it on the student's course page, then it stays permanently till this time the student is on the course. You can also share external videos. I will come to that. This is a beautiful feature. So like you use the digital pen to teach in the class using the whiteboard, and you shared some PDF documents. After the class, the student gets a meeting summary where all your board work, and my pointer is here, all your board work, all your PDF files that you've shared in the class is shared with the student as a PDF file. This is even better than offline classes, where sometimes teachers don't allow you to take the snapshot, the photograph of the board work that they're doing. But here, any board work will reach you and you can use it for effective revision. Student's course page. So this is the offline part where the student has their own personalized learning. They attended the live class, but now they have to also learn at their own pace. So they can, on logging in, they find the courses that they are registered for. They can click on the relevant course icon to come into the course page. Inside the course page, you have chapter-wise course material, including documents, uploaded video, which could be recorded classes, or it could be external videos that it could be a YouTube video that the teacher is using or some other video that the teacher is using. There are chapter-wise practice questions, and students are also provided access to discussion forums for doubt clearance. So this is an example of a video playing from inside the student's course page. Okay. Examination module is the last module that we have. So this provides a comprehensive examination and assessment module with ability to create both MCQ and descriptive exams. Our solution supports proctored examinations as well through third-party proctoring partnerships. Abhishek, I'm audible, right? I'm just doing a check.
Yes, sir. You're audible.
Okay, great. So question and answer choices. So this is an MCQ exam, okay? So question answer choices can be fed in as both text or images. Why images? You think of something like organic chemistry, right? The question has to go as image. Answer choices will also come as image. Or you think of mechanics in physics, right? The question will go as image and the answer choices may also come as images. Marks are allotted for each question and negative marking for incorrect response, and grading of the student is automatic. Okay. Descriptive exams, again, the question can go as text or images. Students are given a space inside the system to type their response, but if the response includes more in-depth material and they want to create their PDF files, like they have to put diagrams, etc., so they may want to actually write their answer in their textbook or A4 size sheet and then scan it and upload it as a PDF file, that is also okay. The grading for this part is done offline by the teacher, as it should be for a descriptive exam, and grades are published on the student course page. So you can see all kinds of exams can be handled. As far as the proctoring options are concerned, we do this through specialist third-party proctoring companies, and we support both AI-assisted and manual proctoring options. So AI features include facial recognition, locking the browser, image-based proctoring, and AI-powered malpractice identification. The manual proctoring feature is nothing but putting one teacher from the school itself to handle let's say 30-40 students. So on the right side top, the teacher's face will be visible, and the teacher on her screen, she will have 20 or 30 students whom she can see through their webcams. And so there is a live candidate video streaming, and live chat with the remote candidate is also possible. Like if the candidate is moving too much, the teacher can shout out saying, Ankur, you are moving too much. If you move, I will cancel your exam. So that is also possible. Right. So I think I've come to the end of my chat here. So the contact details are given. There is a website that you can go to, https://view2learn.com. You can fill in a form there and contact us, or you can directly email me. I have two email IDs. One is bmajumdar@view2view.in, and the second one is bhaskar.majumdar@lamhas.com. Take
Bhaskar,
down my phone. Yeah.
Bhaskar, can you put down your email ID in the chat box?
Yeah, I'm doing that. And I will do that once I get out of the
Sure.
presentation mode. I'm just doing that. I'm just trying to find the chat box. Yeah. To everybody, right?
Yes. So that each and every participant can directly contact to you, and well presentation. And we have seen all the things like role-based management, integrated calendar, live class, examination modules, MCQs, descriptive and security based. So I
Yeah.
request to all the participants, if you want to have enroll this solution, this is 360-degree based solution. So please directly contact to Bhaskar Majumdar. And there is some question, Bhaskar, regarding how are you managing the quality assessment through your solution. That we have gone through your PPT, like you have a MCQ at the descriptive, but regarding the gap between the parent, student, and faculty. So how are you bridging that gap?
First of all, the parents themselves have a role to play in our system. Okay.
Okay.
So parents are given a role in the system, and they are able to log in and check the student's progress at any point in time that they want to. Okay. So they can only view their own ward. What are the classes attended, how the ward has performed in the quizzes, in the assignments, whether the child has missed something, missed some classes. The other thing is that using the live class, right, we can also set up parent-teacher conferences, right? So that is also possible. So anything that is possible offline, in fact, here it is more possible online, because whether the homework was submitted or not also, the parent is able to monitor that.
And regarding the remote education, the students in the remote areas, how they can entertain?
Yeah, so we have developed a solution where today is not the it's a detailed discussion, but we come from a satellite communication background, so we have developed a solution for state boards and for schools which want to reach out to rural areas through satellite communication, one-way communication, where it can reach the school, or it can even reach the television set of the student, in the rural area. Because sometimes in COVID times, the student might not be able to go to a school. So one thing I can do is, in the school itself, I can set up a computer room, right, where the student will come and attend the lectures. So you think like a state like Jharkhand or Chhattisgarh or even Himachal Pradesh or Uttarakhand or even West Bengal, from where deep rural areas, the teachers might not be that qualified, so the quality of education also suffers in primary schools and secondary schools, right? So if the state board says that I will choose the 10 best teachers for each subject, and they will take the classes, and these classes will be satellite delivered, right, to the students in the schools, and then the local teacher takes care of the assignments, the local teacher takes care of the attendance and answers the doubts and queries of the students, right? So it can be a blended learning in that model also. That is also a blended learning model, where the subject matter expert at the highest level, India level also, if required, is taking the class, and the local teacher is assisting that subject matter expert to grade the local student, to also to grade the student, to check their attendance and to clear their doubts. So that is the kind of system that we are going towards.
Thanks, Bhaskar. You have pointed out the major factor, and I request to all participants, there's a one major plus point of Lamha Satellite Services Limited is that they are basically remote satellite. They are easily accessible. So I just request to all the participants, I have dropped the details of Bhaskar sir on the chat box. You can directly contact to his team. You can directly contact to him. And regarding the pricing, regarding things, you can directly talk to him. And I think prices are negotiable. So Bhaskar sir, if our participants do contact you, please do entertain them. And I request to all participants, please contact to Bhaskar sir regarding this V2 solutions and for taking the tech innovations in this digital divide. Thank you, Bhaskar sir. Thank you very much for joining School Tech Summit. Thank you. Namaste, sir.
Namaste.